Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 85T and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of these earbuds. Okay, so the first you have to take them out of this charging case and just take a look right here. I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone. So when I perform the hard reset, this connection will disappear. They will be stored to the previously connected devices, and when I'm going to try to pair them another time, I will get the new pairing request. So what we have to do, and we have to click and hold the both earbuds and take a look on the indicator right here. It will blink 3 times on the purple quickly. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it and just take a look on the indicator. Keep holding. Okay, as you can see right now it blinks on the purple for a few times, and right now, as you can see, when I try to connect them, I get the new pairing request. So our previously connection just disappear and we restore all default settings. We can right now accept this new pairing request. And that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.